At Ecoaim, we start by organising a home health check survey to better understand your personal needs. This is a free, no obligation process where we consider many factors in order to better offer you solutions that will work for your home. After the survey, we move on to the consultation phase. We will consult with the homeowner regarding our findings and provide them with a range of options to improve their energy health. Once the homeowner has agreed on the best way to proceed, we will execute the project and begin the installation phase. Today, we're near Murrayfield, in the heart of the city of Edinburgh. We're here to do another solar panel install. I'm Adam, and we are Ecoaim.
So I'm Hannah Thompson, and we had solar panels put on the roof. We've had 10 of those, and we've had 2 batteries installed as well. Primarily we're trying to save money in the long run just because the cost of electricity is so high now. And we're also just looking to harness the power of the sun essentially and be a bit more eco-friendly as well. So I think we contacted them initially when we potentially saw some Facebook advertising, and then we had a bit of a consultation process where someone came out and had a chat with us and talked through our options and through our electricity usage and how many panels we would need, and just answered any questions we had. And we were given a document to review, and then we basically just went back with any questions, had follow-up phone calls, and until we got to the point where we were happy to proceed. It's taken a bit longer just because we ended up doing some other works as well, but the guys from the solar team have been fab. Yeah, so Ecoaim were really flexible actually, so we ended up having a few things done beforehand, and some of it was a bit unexpected, and they were really flexible around moving dates and things like that. And yeah, they installed yesterday. They were really, really quick. Nice chaps as well, which is always good. And yeah, they did a good job and answered all the questions that we had, and yeah, it was very, very slick. The whole process has been really slick. In terms of the install was really quick and very efficient, I think, actually.
Every journey starts with the first step, and for our customers, their journey toward improved energy health and sustainable living starts with Ecoaim.